Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I do my quick everyday brows. So if you're interested, make sure you watch till the end and I hope you enjoy the video. So first off, I like to shave around my eyebrows as you guys are seeing. I do this as it helps to bring out the true shape of my eyebrows and it helps keep everything really neat. I actually have a full video on this that I did during lockdown. So if you guys are interested, I will leave the card up here. Please check it out. It gives you everything you need to know. For this next step, you'll need an eyebrow pencil and a spoolie brush. I like to start by outlining the natural shape of my eyebrows, as you guys can see, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and fill them in. That's it. It's so simple and so easy, guys. All you have to do is follow the natural shape of your eyebrows. Using my spoolie brush, I'm going to blend in the pencil with my natural brows to give them a full and natural effect. That way they won't have any harsh lines and it won't look like I drew them on, we're trying to catfish here, okay? As you guys can see, I'm repeating that last step one more time. I just want to make sure that everything is well blended and my eyebrows look naturally full, especially in front. Now, taking my concealer and a flat eyebrow brush, I'm going to highlight the top and the bottom of my eyebrows. This is the part to make your eyebrows look perfect. So make sure that you take your time and you don't want to use too much concealer, guys. Otherwise, you'll have to do a lot. And by a lot, you have to blend more. You have to it's just too much, okay? It's better to start with a little bit and then build it up if you need more. The final step is to set your eyebrows in place. So I'm using my spoolie brush and brushing them in place. Some people like to use brow gel, but I'm just weird and I'm gonna use mascara, okay? By the way, the mascara that I'm gonna be using is pretty much dry, okay? So if you're using normal mascara that is not dry, be light-handed with this. And if you don't feel comfortable, just don't do it, sis. Just don't even try it, okay? And boom, all done, guys. That's how I do my quick everyday brows. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys in my next one. See you later. Bye.